Welcome back to the channel. So I have an unboxing of a new G-Shock. This is pretty cool. It's a Casioak. It is GA-B2100-3ACR. It is the new Bluetooth Casioak. So very cool. Now you can sync it with your phone and, quick auto adjust on the time and everything else. This is what I really like. It's 20 bar. This is a 200 meter, do everything watch, dive watch, whatever you want to do. So this thing is pretty cool. So this is your box, your manual, warranty card. Everything's all there. And then here is the watch. There's your tags. And I got the green one. I had a gray one before, the previous model that wasn't Bluetooth. But I saw this green, I was like, man, this thing is pretty cool. It kind of has this military vibe. Black dial, kind of a sunray dial. Gray hands, gray markers, and then you have that white on the hour and minute hand, and then also on your functions hand there. So the outgoing model, I'm not sure if they still make it, but it did have your, right in that ring there, it had your day of the week. This one is got your low, medium, and high for your, solar, because it is a solar watch. And then it has your time zone. There is a timer on there. There's the alarm. There's stopwatch. And then it has Bluetooth, so you can connect it to other phones, I guess, or other Bluetooth compatible components. But you can see right there, tough solar, Bluetooth. It's got the date there, 9/3. So really cool. This isn't a functions video. This is just really an unboxing and to show you this cool new release. Let's get it out in the sun real quick.
Out in the sunlight. Just a cool watch right here. So you could dive with it. You can do whatever you want with it. Very durable. I know I mainly just showcase automatic watches, but I wanted something that I can do more with and not have to worry about if I'm hard on it. These don't have a sapphire crystal. I wish they would. I believe it's just like a hardlex or mineral type crystal, but they are very durable. So I'll get on with it for a while, wear it, and then I'll report back to you. I'll do a full review later on, but just want to do a quick unboxing of the new Casioak Bluetooth Tough Solar. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.